Experiencing problems with your SafeLink service? Let's troubleshoot the most common issues: outages, billing holds, and SIM refreshes. First, understand that SafeLink, as a lifeline provider, uses networks like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Problems often stem from these underlying networks. For outages, start by restarting your phone and checking SafeLink's app for coverage maps. If there's a widespread outage, monitor SafeLink's status page. Billing holds usually occur due to unpaid balances or eligibility lapses. You can quickly resolve these by paying through the SafeLink app or website. Holds typically lift within 24 hours. Finally, for SIM-related issues like dropped calls or no service, try a SIM refresh via the device settings in the My Account app. This often resolves minor connectivity glitches in minutes. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, contact SafeLink support at 1-800-723-3546 for personalized assistance. For SIM refresh issues, if the app doesn't work, request a free replacement SIM card. Keep in mind that network congestion can also cause intermittent issues, particularly during peak hours. Looking ahead, SafeLink is moving towards digital self-service fixes through their app, reducing reliance on customer support. The company aims for 100% 5G coverage by 2030, potentially using eSIM technology to eliminate physical SIM cards and the need for refreshes. Stay updated with the latest app version for AI-driven troubleshooting chatbots and proactive fixes. Remember to recertify your Lifeline eligibility periodically to avoid billing holds and ensure continued service.